Good morning, afternoon, or evening, based on where you are watching from, and welcome back to our channel as we continue with our learning series. What if I told you that one skill could help you earn more, influence decisions, move across industries, and remain valuable even as AI changes the workplace? First of all, I have over 10 years' experience in the field of data analysis, whereby over the period, I have had an opportunity to work both directly and indirectly in almost all fields. Therefore, this capacity-building coaching is drawn from my own experience after evaluating areas of strength and weaknesses in the various industries. On that basis, I urge you to watch this video time and again without skipping a single step, and if need be, watch while taking notes in order to strengthen your personal and interpersonal skills that will make you competitive in your career. Most people think data analysis is about spreadsheets, dashboards, or coding. It isn't. At its core, data analysis is the ability to make better decisions when the answer isn't obvious. And after more than 10 years working with data, I've learned something surprising. The people who advance the fastest are rarely the ones with the most technical skills. They're the ones who know how to turn information into action. Today, I'll show you exactly how that happens and why it can completely change your career. Stay with me until the end because I'll share the 3 career-changing lessons that separate high-impact analysts from everyone else. We're going to follow a journey. First, we'll look at why analytical skills matter more today than ever before. Then we'll explore how analysis creates business value, how the profession has evolved, and the capabilities that successful analysts develop. We'll also examine real business impact, common challenges, future opportunities, and finally, the lessons that can transform your career. By the end, you'll understand why analytical thinking has become one of the most valuable professional skills in the modern economy. Why data analysis matters. Let's start with a simple question. Why are organizations hiring analysts in almost every department? Because every business faces uncertainty. Where should we invest? Which customers should we focus on? What's causing performance problems? Who can answer those questions confidently? The person who can analyze information and make sense of complexity. This creates 3 major career advantages: higher employability, broader influence, faster career growth. And here's the key insight. Data analysis is no longer a technical specialty. It's becoming a leadership skill. The better you become at helping people make decisions, the more valuable you become. How analysis solves problems. Think about the last major problem you've seen at work. Maybe a project was delayed. Maybe sales were declining. Maybe customers were leaving. Most teams immediately focus on symptoms. Analysis helps uncover causes. Instead of asking, "What happened?" we ask, "Why did it happen?" And more importantly, what should we do next? That shift, from reporting symptoms to diagnosing causes, is where real business value begins. Analysis to business value. Here's one of the biggest misconceptions in business. People assume data creates value. It doesn't. Decisions create value. Data only matters when it changes a decision. That's why great analysts follow 4 steps. Frame the right question. Build trusted evidence. Align the decision. Measure the result. Notice that analysis isn't the final step. Action is. If nothing changes after your analysis, then no value was created. Remember that idea because it's going to become important later. From reporting to strategy. 10 years ago, many analysts spent most of their time building reports. Today, the role looks very different. Organizations don't just want to know what happened. They want guidance on what to do next. The profession evolved from reporting history to shaping strategy. And that's exactly why analytical careers have become more influential. The analyst is no longer sitting on the sidelines. They're increasingly helping make the decisions. 6 capabilities that mature. Here's something I wish more professionals understood. Technical skills get you into the room. Business impact keeps you in the room. Over time, analysts develop 6 capabilities. technical skills, statistics, business context, communication, stakeholder management, decision quality. Notice how the later skills become less technical and more human. That's not an accident. As careers advance, influence becomes more important than tools. The strongest analysts don't just produce answers, they help organizations make better decisions. The analyst across functions. One reason analytics is such a powerful career path is that it touches nearly every function. Executives need clarity. Managers need operational insight. Specialists need optimization. Analysts connect all three groups. Think of analysts as translators. They translate business questions into evidence and evidence into action. That's why analytical thinking travels so well across industries and roles. The core analyst workflow. Now let's look at what analysts actually do. The workflow appears simple. Clarify. Find data. Prepare data. Test ideas. Recommend action. But here's the reality. Most failures happen in the first step. If you solve the wrong problem perfectly, you've still failed. That's why experienced analysts spend so much time clarifying the decision before touching the data. A clear question saves weeks of unnecessary work. Choosing the right tool stack. People often ask, what's the best analytics tool? The answer surprises them. The best tool is the one that solves the problem efficiently. Sometimes that's a spreadsheet. Sometimes it's SQL. Sometimes it's a dashboard platform. Technology matters. But tool selection should always follow business need, not the other way around. Great analysts don't fall in love with tools. They fall in love with solving problems, methods that improve decisions. Every analytical method serves a different purpose. Descriptive analysis tells us what happened. Diagnostic analysis explains why. Predictive approaches estimate what might happen next. The mistake many professionals make is choosing complex methods when simple ones are enough. The best analysts start with the simplest method that can support a confident decision. Complexity should be earned, not assumed. Communicating analysis for action. Let's talk about the skill that often determines career growth. Communication. I've seen brilliant analyses ignored because they were communicated poorly. And I've seen simple analyses drive major decisions because they were communicated clearly. Always remember, decision makers don't want a data dump. They want clarity. Lead with the recommendation. Explain the evidence. Highlight assumptions. Address uncertainty. Then tell people what action to take. That's what builds trust. How analysts create business impact. Let's make this practical. In marketing, analytics improves targeting and conversion. In operations, it reduces waste and bottlenecks. In finance and strategy, it improves forecasting and resource allocation. Different departments, same pattern. Analysis identifies opportunities, teams take action, results improve. That's the real purpose of analytical work, not reporting, improvement. From data to decision. Now let's walk through a real scenario. Imagine customer churn is increasing. Leadership knows there's a problem, but they don't know why. A low-impact analyst stops at reporting churn. A high-impact analyst identifies which customer groups are leaving, why they're leaving, and what action should be taken. Notice the difference. One reports a problem, the other helps solve it. That's where careers accelerate. What high-impact analysis measures? Here's another lesson from experience. If success isn't defined up front, people argue about results later. That's why analysts track 4 categories: efficiency, quality, growth, decision outcomes. The goal isn't simply producing insight, it's proving whether the insight created measurable improvement. What gets measured gets improved. Analysis challenges at a glance. Of course, analytics isn't always straightforward. Poor data, unclear questions, fragmented systems, changing priorities, time pressure, low trust. These challenges exist in almost every organization. The difference between average analysts and exceptional analysts isn't avoiding challenges. It's managing them effectively. Control common risks. The biggest risks in analysis are often invisible. Bad assumptions, poor definitions,
hidden bias, ambiguous requests. These issues quietly distort decisions. That's why rigorous analysts validate data, challenge assumptions, and invite review. The goal isn't proving yourself right. The goal is discovering what's true. A four-step way to manage stakeholders. Technical skills alone won't make you influential. Stakeholder management matters. Before starting analysis, align the decision. Set guardrails. Share early. Close the loop. This process prevents surprises and builds trust. And trust is often the difference between analysis being ignored and analysis driving action. Reliable analysis system. Great results shouldn't depend on luck. The best teams create systems, shared definitions, repeatable workflows, consistent reviews. When analysis becomes repeatable, quality improves and confidence grows. That's how organizations scale good decision-making. 3 career paths in analytics. Now let's answer a question many people ask. Where can analytics take your career? There are 3 common paths. You can become a specialist. You can move into leadership. Or you can become a consultant or entrepreneur. What's interesting is that all 3 paths rely on the same foundation: the ability to solve problems using evidence. That's why analytical thinking remains valuable regardless of title. Habits that build. Analyst growth. Skills matter, but habits create long-term success. Stay curious. Question assumptions. Document clearly. Communicate precisely. Seek feedback early. Connect work to outcomes. These habits may sound simple, yet over time they create enormous career advantages. Consistency compounds. What the future rewards. Now let's talk about the question everyone is asking. Will AI replace analysts? My answer is no, but it will change the role. AI will automate more routine work, reporting, preparation, basic exploration. But the highest value work remains human. Problem framing, judgment, communication, stakeholder trust, decision-making. The future belongs to people who combine analytical skill with human insight. Those capabilities are becoming more valuable, not less. Lessons that change careers. We've covered a lot today. If you remember only 3 things, remember these. Build strong analytical foundations. Communicate for decisions. Solve real business problems. Notice that none of these lessons are about tools, because careers aren't transformed by software. They're transformed by how effectively you think, communicate, and create results. And that's what analytical expertise ultimately provides.
Lessons that change careers. We've covered a lot today. If you remember only 3 things, remember these. Build strong analytical foundations. Communicate for decisions. Solve real business problems. Notice that none of these lessons are about tools, because careers aren't transformed by software. They're transformed by how effectively you think, communicate, and create results. And that's what analytical expertise ultimately provides.